today we have the drain Fafnir, and of course what we're going to do is change its battery. Now it's a simple enough task. All you need is what you see right here. Some scissors, the 3 batteries, and of course our bay. Now it is a Phillips screwdriver. For those of you that do not know, it is the star-shaped screwdriver, okay, that we will use. Okay, you're gonna always begin by unscrewing it, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Alright, now they do provide you with little holes right there so that you can poke something in, I guess, and kind of pop them out. I have this little tool here that kind of helped me, and it works, you know, for what it's supposed to do. Great success! Now these are the batteries that came with it. These are the LR44s. So if you get 3 of them, so you will need 3 of them. And what you will need if you want to get the replacements, you can get the Energizers, the A76. Alright, if you want to order them as well. Now, if you do check the descriptions, we do have great products available from Amazon. And of course, if you do click them, we do get a kickback from that. So I do suggest you do. Thanks. If you do look closely, you will see that there's a little picture of how the batteries have to sit. So this way it's really good, it's really foolproof. Alright, test it before you close it up, and there you go, right? Now, final step is of course hand tightening the screw. Alright, and I say hand tight because some people like to use drills or whatnot, but you know, you like to set it tight but not too tight. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching, and once again, if you do like, subscribe, and please share. Cheers, everybody.